Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can access the old audio library from YouTube audio. So after coming to YouTube dashboard, you just need to go to this creator music beta, and from here this is the new layout. I really don't like this one, so from here just go to browse, and once you are inside the browse tab, from here you just need to go to this option, this genre. Click here, and after this you need to scroll, and here you can see this option sound effect, and this is a link. So to access the old audio layout or library, you can just go here. It will automatically open in a new tab, or you can also bookmark this URL. Now you can see this is our old audio library, and you can find all the music that you like the previous design, everything. So this was the way how you can access the old audio library on YouTube in 2023. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.